My name is I am a student of class 9. Today I am excited to explain our project on digital calculator. We have designed this calculator at the Atal Tinkering Lab using for the following components: 4x4 metric keypad, Arduino UNO for the brain of project, I2C LCD module to display result, breadboard and jumper wires for connection, power adapter. In this project, we have programmed specific keys to act the mathematical operations. Button A for addition, button B for subtraction, button C for multiplication, button D for division, hash key function as a equal to sign, asterisk key assigned to clear the screen. Now let me demonstrate. This project show how we can use electronics to solve everyday problems at the Adult Tinkering Lab. We are learning to create many more such innovative projects. Thank you for watching us and have a great day.